A major political development has created a stir in Madhya Pradesh after Congress MLA Rajendra Bhati was sent to jail. A Delhi MP MLA court found him guilty in a fraud case related to the Land Development Bank. The court convicted him under Section 420 of the Indian Penal Code, which deals with cheating. According to reports, he had made a fixed deposit in his mother's name and later the duration was allegedly increased unfairly to gain extra benefits. A bank employee filed the complaint. After the verdict, he was sent to Tihar jail. This decision has sparked strong reactions in state politics. The government of Madhya Pradesh has started a major education drive called School Chale Hum. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav launched the campaign to encourage students to join government school. He said more students are now choosing public school over private ones, showing growing trust in the system. Dropouts rates have reduced to almost zero, which is a big achievement. New admissions have increased by 19%. The government will also distribute around 4 lakhs bicycles to help students travel easily to school. The campaign event was held at Sandipani School in Bhopal, where many students and teachers participated with enthusiasm. Famous Bollywood actor Akshay Kumar and Tiger Shroff, along with senior actress Dimple Kapadia, visited the holy Mahakaleshwar temple in Ujjain early Wednesday morning. The temple is one of the most famous religious places in India and is dedicated to Lord Shiva. The actors came to offer prayers and seek blessings. Many fans gathered outside the temple to catch a glimpse of their favorite stars. Their visit shows the strong faith celebrities also have in Indian traditions and spirituality. The movement created excitement among devotees and added a special charm to the temple atmosphere. In a serious action taken in Rewa district, 3 police officers including a TI town inspector have been suspended. The action is linked to a case under the NDPS Act, which deals with drug and illegal substance. Police had earlier arrested 2 accused persons in the Simaria area. However, it was later alleged that the accused were released without proper legal paperwork. This raised serious question about police conduct. Senior official took the matter seriously and ordered suspension. The case highlights the importance of following legal procedures strictly, especially in sensitive cases involving drug and law enforcement accountability. A huge fire broke out in a wheat field in Raisen district, causing heavy loss to farmers. Around 50 acres of standing crop were completely destroyed. The fire spread very quickly, giving farmers little time to react. In a desperate attempt to control the flames, farmers used tractors and tree branches, risking their lives. Unfortunately, one tractor was also burnt in the fire. The incident has caused major financial damage and distress among farmers. Authorities are expected to investigate the cause of the fire and provide support to affected farmers who lost their hard-earned crops. Weather conditions suddenly changed in Bhopal and nearby Sihor on Wednesday afternoon. Strong winds, heavy rain and thunderstorms were reported. In some areas, hailstones also fell, damaging crop and affecting daily life. The meteorological department had already issued an alert for possible storm and hail. People were advised to stay indoors and avoid open areas. The sudden weather change brought relief from heat but also caused trouble for farmers and commuters. Officials have warned that similar weather conditions may continue in the next few hours in several districts of the state.